Hi guys, this is Grace and welcome to my channel. Welcome to the 1st of July, and I have a fun video to share with you today. So these are some items that I pulled out from my stash. Most of them are items that are either half used or just slightly used, or some that are brand spanking new, like this one. So the reason why I'm showing you these things, because this is going to be a giveaway and I am going to share with you the items in the giveaway. But first, let me tell you why I'm doing a giveaway. First of all, I'm doing a giveaway because I've been wanting to do one. I just haven't had the time to gather stuff and do a video for it. And the second reason why I'm doing a giveaway, because this is my birthday month, or birth month I should say. And so I'm having a birthday this month, and I thought that I would celebrate by sharing some scrappy love to all of my subscribers. So before I go on, if you don't want to see everything that I will be sharing, well, not everything, but most of the things that will be part of this giveaway, just know that for you to enter this giveaway is, first you need to be a subscriber, and then the second thing is I need you to leave a comment and let me know what your favorite thing about July is. And if you do those two things, if you do those two things, then you will be able to enter in this giveaway. Okay, so let me share with you some of the things that I pulled out that a lucky subscriber will get. So first one is this Doris oval nesting die. I actually ordered this from, I can't remember if it was the factory direct or one of those online stores, and they actually gave me two. They accidentally put two in my bag, and or in my box, and I even called them and I said, hey, you sent me two, and they're like, well, if we're being honest, you'll just get the other one. But I have one already, so I don't need this other one. So one person will get that one. I have this really adorable rubber stamp from Whimsy Stamps, and it's a rubber stamp, and this is the image. Now, I love it. I don't use these kinds of stamps, so it's never been used. I have a pack of envelopes from Jelly Bean Soup. And then I have this sticker sheet. As you can see, there's a lot more stickers. That's foam, and I believe this one is crepe paper. And then I have, so these ones are simple stories. It has stickers, die cuts, kind of boyish theme. And then this one is just a hodgepodge of die cuts and stickers. So this, oh, I wasn't showing it properly. This is chock full of die cuts. I mean, there's just a ton of die cuts in here. And I'm not gonna open it up because it's just going to spill over, but there are stickers there too. And then this one's a die cut from Photoplay paper. As you can see, this one I've used some of it, but you can use these, and thought somebody would use that. And then this one, I know it's half used, but there's so many other things that you can use for that one, and this as well. And then this one's brand new, never been used. This one is from My Mind's Eye, from the Well Hello collection. And then these ones, these 3 chipboard stickers, have never been opened. As you can see, all of them are still there. And these are chipboard, so they're the thick stickers, and you get all 3 of them. So like I said, if you want to be included in the giveaway, if you want to join in the giveaway, all you have to do is, first, make sure that you're a subscriber, and the second is leave a comment down below and tell me what your favorite thing about July is. And then at the end of the month, I will open this giveaway for a whole month, and at the end of the month I will pick a winner, and then I will let you know. Only thing though, only thing that kind of a disclaimer, is I can only send this to a subscriber that is within the 50 states, because it's expensive to send a mail internationally. So I am so sorry for my subscribers that are international, but this is only for addresses that I think I could send it to, like an APO address, right? I'm not really sure. If you're military, you can let me know about that. But I do know that I can send this anywhere in the 50 states, and it wouldn't cost, or maybe just 48. I am not sure. I've never done Alaska or Hawaii ever. So, but anyways, I can send this to somebody in the US. So thank you so much for subscribing and for watching my videos. It really makes my day to know that other people share this passion with me. And I hope that you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you guys another day. Bye.